Hello everyone, this is MD168. Today's video is about learning how to do a playlist. I know most of YouTubers already have playlist, but meron ding iba na wala pa rin, and then merong nagtatanong din kung paano gagawin. So right now, I'm gonna show you the simple steps on how to do the playlist. So I'm on my screen now, and then you have to go to YouTube right here. So hanapin mo ang channel mo. Let's say MD. My main channel is MD168. Ayan. Click lang yan. I-search mo lang. So this is your channel. This is my channel. So that's how you do it, guys. So nakita mo itong manage videos. I-click mo ang manage videos. At ang lalabas ay ito, ang studio mo. So, you see this? Ito ang content. I-click, ito ang mga videos mo lahat. Mix na yan lahat. So, you have to click content. Ayan. Ayan, lumabas. So, we will give you an example. I will click this and then I'm gonna make a playlist. So yan, you see, nakita mo itong add to playlist. I-click mo lang yan. Ayan, tapos may mga video na ako, may mga playlist na ako dito. So I will make a new one, new playlist. So ang title ko niyan ay shorts. Meron na akong shorts, pero we'll make a sample shorts or new upload. New upload. Yan, see? So, I already have the title, new upload. Tapos, i-click mo lang ang create. Ayan. I-save mo lang siya. And then, yung itong naka-click ngayon, naka-check, pumunta na siya doon sa ano. So, we will see kung pumunta ba siya sa playlist. Okay, itong playlist na words na ito, i-click mo yan. So, we will check. See guys, new upload. So may na-click akong 6. So i-click mo itong pencil sign, yan. Yan, nakita mo itong 6 na ginawa kong playlist. So here, i-click mo yung play all, kasi yung iba, pag gustong tumulong sa iyo ng watch hour, i-play all lang siya. Mas mabilis. Ayan. Playing na siya. Tapos, dito lahat ay mapupula. It will get red. The color red. So, it means it's being played already. So, yan ang pinakamadaling gagawin. And the easy way to help someone who needs watch hour. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. Yan, may ads na din. And also, I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new and simple way. Bye! Next time. See you again.